Hello everyone and welcome to the Homepage Network. I'm John Boat. I'm here with Representative Clint Owlett, and I've asked Clint to come in and help us with some clarification. We need to know what is essential and what is not essential. Yeah. It could change. I mean, we could be putting this out to you right now and it could change in a half hour. But as of this moment, what exactly would be essential and non-essential?
Yeah, I appreciate the opportunity to come in and talk about this, John. And we were all put in kind of a little bit of an awkward situation yesterday. Just as a background, we were at the Capitol yesterday working on a rule change to allow the legislature to be able to vote from home and remotely, which is unprecedented territory for us as a House. But in the midst of that, the governor was working on a press release and actually out there putting a statement out, and our phones kind of blew up because everybody was asking, am I unessential or am I essential? And it got complicated pretty quick, and the press release that was printed was different than what was said a little bit. So we asked for some clarification, and we did get some clarification last night. All the folks that reached out to our office, we really appreciate that. We're trying to help as best we can to really work through some of these questions. But basically what the Wolf administration put out in a press release last evening to clarify for us was that we strongly urge non-essential businesses across the Commonwealth to do their part by temporary closing if they so can. And what they're talking about is non-essential here: recreational facilities, hospitality, entertainment, limiting gyms would be one, yoga places, hair salons, barbershops, nail salons, spas, concerts, casinos, things like that, theaters. These are what they're saying are non-essential businesses, and they're strongly urging them to help in this mitigation effort to lessen the curve of the coronavirus. But one thing that they did list, which was very helpful, was essential services, and those would be food processing, agriculture, industrial manufacturing, feed mills, construction, trash collection, grocery stores, household goods, home repair, hardware, auto repair, pharmacies, medical facilities, post office, shipping outlets, insurance, banks, gas stations, laundromats, veterinary clinics, pet stores, warehouses, storage units, public transportation, hotels, and commercial lodging. So we're starting to see a little bit more here as far as details as to what their idea of essential and non-essential businesses would be. One thing that was put out, and it is true, restaurants are being asked to do takeout only. And that originally started in kind of the hot spots in the state, and then it was pushed out statewide. But the idea there is the state government has control over restaurant licenses, and the Department of Health controls that. So since they have that control, they can mandate that closure. Same thing with bars. Bars they're part of the Liquor Control Board and controlled by that. So they can come out and say that needs to stop and mandate that. But so that's kind of some clarity that they've put out for us, and I hope that helps everybody at home to see kind of where you're at. I know small businesses they're all asking, should I stay open? Should I not stay open? And this could change before we even put this video out. So it is a very fluid situation, and we're continuing to monitor it. What I would encourage folks to do is definitely watch our social media, and we're trying to put accurate information out there. There's a lot of stuff floating around that's not accurate. So we're trying to do our best to make sure that we're putting good information out there that will be helpful for folks of the Commonwealth and specifically the district here.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Clint, for coming in and helping to clarify essential and non-essential business. And stay tuned, because it could change in 5 minutes.
The Mansfield Laurel Health Center is now accepting patients in the state-of-the-art Susquehanna Health Medical Plaza at Mansfield. In the same facility, Susquehanna Health is offering physical and aquatic therapy, imaging, laboratory, cardiology, and sports medicine services. For more than 40 years, our 6 Laurel Health Centers have provided high-quality, compassionate care to the residents of Tioga County, offering family-based primary care services, obstetrics, pediatrics, preventive screenings, and diabetes education, as well as outpatient counseling and therapy services. Our passion is to provide comprehensive health care to all who need it with dignity and respect.